Hello everyone, if you've been following my YouTube series where I was editing your photos, you might be interested about this announcement. I'm going to change a bit the rules of this series. I'm not going to edit your photo anymore. Instead, I want to make this series more interesting for you. I am introducing a new series on YouTube where I give you feedbacks on your edits. This is something that I give to all of my students inside of my course retouching bootcamp, and because that's something that helped them a lot to grow their editing skills, I've decided to choose 2 people per month and to do an editing feedback for YouTube. I will be giving feedbacks on your edits. So the only thing you have to do is to send me your edit. So send me an email at contact@imag'in.com with 1. the raw photo, 2. the JPEG, the edited photo, and the PSD file. If you didn't edit your photo inside of Photoshop, then send me the Lightroom or Camera Raw settings that you use to edit your photo so I can open the edit and see how you edited your photo. And then the last thing but not least that I need you to tell me is why did you decide to edit your photo this way? What is the story of your image and what do you want to convey through your edit? It's very important for me to have this last point because otherwise I won't be able to tell you if it's good, if it's not, to give you advices depending on how you edited your photo. The goal is not to tell you if it's good or if it's bad, it's to give you feedbacks that goes with the intention you wanted to put in your edits. So I'm very excited to start this new series. Everyone can send me their files. I will add all the details in the description and I am waiting for your emails.